Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making fried eggs and kimchi. If you're in the market for a new, interesting brunch item, look no further. It's really easy to make, whether you're cooking for yourself or want to wow some friends who are coming over for brunch. Let's get started. This is kimchi. It's fermented vegetables, primarily cabbage, along with spicy red pepper. It's Korean and it's used as a side dish, but here we're going to use it as an accompaniment for the eggs. It's full of probiotics and quite good for your gut. And then we have our 2 eggs, we have some scallions we're going to use to top the dish, and also some soy sauce. Those are all the ingredients. We are ready to cook. We have a couple of teaspoons of oil heating up in the pan. We're just going to add our kimchi right to it and start sauteing. This will go for a couple of minutes. We're not looking to brown the kimchi, just go for long enough for it to start getting crystallized and warmed up. You hear it sizzling away. The kimchi has been going for about a minute, minute and a half. It has begun to give off a nice aroma and begun to soften and brown just a little bit at the edges, and we're ready to add our eggs. I'm going to drop those right in there. And spread out the egg white just a little bit so it's even. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium, and I will let that cook for as long as it takes for the egg white to settle. The egg is setting up nicely, and I think probably another 30 seconds to a minute we should be done. The eggs have been going for a couple of minutes and they look just right. The egg white has set up beautifully. The egg yolk is still nice and liquidy. This is ready to come off. I'm going to serve the kimchi eggs on a bed of rice. The rice is going to soak up the egg yolks as they run. It's a delicious combination. It's going to be quite beautiful as well. All right, so we have the eggs coming right up. Got that. I'll just slip the eggs out of my pan here. I've used a non-stick pan, so it's going to come right out easily. Like that. And we'll top it with some freshly diced scallions and just a little bit of soy sauce. There it is, kimchi fried eggs. I think it's going to be one of the more interesting and easy to make brunches you're going to have all year. Enjoy.